How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here, and today I am going to be teaching you how to change your tire when you get a flat. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it without all the fancy smancy tools. You're going to be learning how to change your tire with your own personal jack that comes in the back of your car and your spare tire. Because a lot of YouTubers have been watching, they'll show you how to change it with these super big tools that a lot of people don't have. I'm going to give you guys the benefit of the doubt, and I'm going to do it with just the stupid little jack to give you that's honestly crap, all the other stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing you want to do is you're going to come to the back of your car and open up the back of your car. You're going to want to find where you keep your spare tires. Some of them have them in compartments here. Mine is underneath here. So what you want to do is you want to take everything out that your car requires. So this is everything it comes with. It comes with the jack itself, the part that cranks up the jack, and the lug nut, and you also put this into this to raise this. I'm gonna show you how to mount it and everything. Again, every car is different. Every car is different. Again, this is a Ford. You could be having a Chrysler, you can be having a Honda. Read your owner's manual on where to put these, because if you put them in the wrong spot, you will crack and you'll loosen and you'll damage your car. For example, if you put it too far underneath your car, you can lift up the oil pan, crack the oil pan, then you're screwed. You can do it to the transmission fluid as well, screwed. Just look up your owner's manual, take an extra 5 minutes, if that. So what you want to do is you want to put your pieces together. Again, mine's simple and easy. Boom, there's that, you plug it into that. And then with this jack, to lift it up, you put the little hook into this. What I like to do is I like to twist it manually until it gets up to about halfway. Just like about there. Stick it under the car, because again, every car is different. So mine, there's a part under there that's going to fit right into here, and then snugs up, and then that's when you're going to use the other tool to lift it fully up for the best of you can get. All right, so come under here. You want to do it to the frame. You don't want to do it. See how there's the pan right there? You do not want to put it anywhere under the jack. So we're going to put it right under there, and we are going to lift. I'm going to show you this now. Sorry, it's kind of hard with one hand. Just give me, I apologize. So this is why I said it's easier with hand, because it's going to slide until you get to where you need to get it to be. Alright, so now that it's starting to lift the car up by hand, and it's not going to move. But first what you're going to want to do is you always open up the driver's car door, and you're going to want to put the emergency brake. Always push the emergency brake so your car does not roll on you when it does this. And also make sure that your car is always in park. So at this point, this is when you're going to want to lift up the car. This is when you want to lift it up completely. So it's going to take a little bit, but just keep on doing it until the car is raised. Quick tip, before you raise your car all the way, loosen up your lug nuts. I'm going to be using a tire iron because I always keep this in my car. Again, you can use your little tool that comes with it. It's literally the same thing, but this just has a little bit more of hand grip. There's no difference in them at all, I promise. So again, put it on, loosen it just like that. And then you're gonna go to the next one. And then you're gonna wanna loosen, just like that. And then you're gonna wanna go and loosen again until all of them are loose. If you're raising your car all the way, let's say your jack is super small, and you raise it all the way up and it's not going anymore, that's gonna happen too. This is why these jacks suck. This is why I always say, like, oh, do it the hard way, because everything's gonna slip, because again, Ford and everything else do not care. But again, if you have your jack all the way up, let's say, and you can't turn no more, and your wheel is not off the ground, find something that put underneath the jack, like something like wood, because wood's gonna raise it, and then the jack's gonna raise it as well. Okay, now that you have your wheel up off the ground, time to loosen all of them completely. Again, put them on, and then you're just gonna want to spin so they all come off. Now that all your lug nuts are off, just again, your tire might be a little stuck because of rust, give it a little kick. And again, just shake it off a little bit. I put my foot underneath the tire, and then I lift up, and then I just take it off via that way. Again, tires and rims are heavy, so just be aware of that. And there you go. Then roll it off to the side, and then work with what you gotta do. Quick tip that I don't really need to do right now because it's not rusted solid. But if you look close enough a little bit, you can see how there's a little bit of rust and all that stuff. Your tire can stick to this. What you want to do is put WD-40 on the spikes. It makes your tire so much easier to come on and off. Also on the inside of your tire, put some WD-40. So after you get your spare down and all that stuff, again, every car is, I'm not taking my spare down because every car is different. The minivan, for example, it's actually on the floor of the driver's side. This one's in the back of the complete back of the car. So again, every car is different. So once you have your spare tire, it's time to put it back on. So I learned this from Chris Fix. If you don't know who he is, I talked about him once already. Is what you want to do is you want to put your feet, you want to sit with it, put your feet underneath the tires, and then slowly roll it back, and then lift up. So lift up, because again, the rims are super freaking heavy, and then you're gonna want to align. It's gonna take some time, because the wheel obviously tends to roll and all that stuff, so you want to get it just right. Boom. Just like that. So the next step is to obviously put the lug nuts back on. So put your tire in, don't worry if it doesn't stay. Go for the top one and put it on. And keep doing them for all of them. Try to do it in a star pattern. You want to do it in a star pattern. Once you have them all on tight enough, what you're going to want to do is go into a star pattern. So I'm going to start at the top. Make sure you go in, do one nice hard turn, and then go from the next one. So start that way, and then nice hard turn, and then take it out. Go through this one, nice hard turn, out. Next one, turn, out, and then last one, nice hard turn, and then that's done for right now. The next thing to do is to lower the car. So then again, to lower the car, you just go the reverse way. Now that the car is lowered, we're on to our final step. All right, so you do not want your car going loose at all. So you want to put it in. You're gonna want to completely turn as much as you possibly can. And then do it in a star pattern as well. After you've done all your hard turns, you are good to go to wherever you need to go on your spare tire. So that should be your final product. Off and then right back on. And then as always, make sure you go back into your car. Don't forget to lift up your parking brake, because that's always a good thing to do. Take your keys, turn your car on, money down. Wait a few seconds for the oil to get where it needs to go. Drive. And you are good to go. No bumps, no nothing. All right guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you really did enjoy. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. I literally tried to do it like we're on the side of the road because again, you do not have much tools. You see people come out with car jacks and this and that. Again, my tripod, the gears, and part of the thing that comes in. That is all I did. Plus the tire iron, which is right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, have a great day. Make sure you follow my Twitter and my Instagram.